Hi, this is Dr. Wooten. I want to show off what I've been working on. This is the website as it stands today. We have our home page up. We have About Us, our memberships. We have basic membership for $10 a month, semester membership for $40 a semester, and yearly membership at $80. For this semester, these prices will be good till the end of the year. Then we have all of our apps. Not all of them, all of the ones that I've posted so far. Several of them have open access, and several of them are for members only. So if you click on this one, for example, you are able to compute the probability bounded below by 85 and above by 125, given the mean and the deviation. These can all change. And if you are like me and only are given a chart to the right, this also illustrates how it would be broken down using that chart and symmetry to find the probability. We also have two videos up. This is the start of our video libraries. One of them is an introduction to Excel, and the other one is an animation that I did in Crayola Creative Studios. Then we have the games. These are still a work in progress. I've got two posted. The first one is actually not as interesting, so let's go to the second one. These games were written in Unity, which is a physics engine using the language C#. So what we have over here, we could go through the instructions, but what we need to do is set the number of marbles for each color. And as you see, the population is illustrated in the bar chart. Then you can fill the box, and some of the information may be lost, and it'll keep track of that for you. Then you click one of them, and then you can pick the rest of them up by mousing over it. And it illustrates a bar chart. If you're not sure what a bar chart is, if you click it, it'll tell you the definition. You do have to click it to turn it off. It'll tell you the definition of distribution, any of the ones that have words on them. And so what we can do is ask it the probability of a magenta and a yellow. And there it will tell us if the first one's magenta and the second one's yellow. Here we replaced it. So if we want to say without replacement, I'll need to clarify that. And then you say with replacement, it changes the formulas and recalculates the probability, and you can change the colors by selecting them here. And then you can reset it and do it again, or you can quit. Now, because this is online, you would hit escape to make it small and then just close out the window. So that's what I have going on right now. I hope you check out the website. If you can like this and share, as well as join my YouTube page. Thank you and have a great day.